Hello, this is Dr. Michael Myers, and I'm a faculty member in the School of Health and Human Services at National University. I'm the project manager for online course design, and today in this short video, I'm going to show you an exemplar online course designed by SPL. This final look at a complete course will hopefully give you some ideas of what you might want to design and include in your class. This course is called Performance Enhancement A, and actually comes from our John F. Kennedy University. And the first thing you notice as we go into the course shell is that on the top right you'll have all of the tools that the students will be using and you'll be using as well. So these should be familiar to you if you've taught a course at National before, either online or with eCompanion. On the left side is going to be the navigation panes, and here's where you're going to see the units and the course home are diagrammed as well. First thing you notice is there's 7 weeks here. JFK runs 7-week classes. Typically we run 4-week classes, so your course may look a little differently depending on how you format it. First thing you notice is that there's a detailed syllabus which is going to share instructor information, and there's also room for an instructor bio. There's a course calendar and program information. What's unique here too is you'll see a student lounge, which is really a running discussion board where the students can cross-talk with one another, they can talk about issues in the class, and it's really a place designed for student interaction. There's also a virtual office, which is a built-in running discussion board designed for interaction between faculty and students. So this might be a place where if you're getting lots of emails on the same topic, you may want to post those up here, and students will do the same. If they're asking questions, they'll post them on here so other students can see them once you respond to them as a faculty member or whoever's teaching the class. There's links to the library for JFK, and of course the Getting Started is included in our classes that gives students links to the student orientation tutorial and help desk information. So getting started, if we click on week 1, you'll see that there's a nice crisp and clear photography as we saw when we entered the course. The course objectives are all here for the students. The lectures, of course, are here. So you can post your lecture notes, and these are in Adobe PDF files. So these lecture notes can be downloaded very easily by the students. And these are, of course, the notes you might give in class, which you would now write out for them because they're not really in class, they're fully online. But other than that, you see that you've got video media included as well. So not only are the students getting a written portion of their material, they're also getting enhanced media, which we'll come back to, but you can actually take those lectures that we saw and they can be narrated.
Welcome to Performance Enhancement A, Week 1, Section 1.
So here you see the notes are actually annotated, so they're done by an announcer or they could be done by you as well. So the lecture notes that you're giving can be actually presented to the students in a very auditory way. So the other video media you can include are some videos which can be embedded into the course by SPL.
Sports.com presents the Confident Athlete video show starring Dr. Patrick Cohn. Dr. Cohn is a leading sports psychology expert. He teaches junior to professional athletes proven mental toughness strategies for achieving peak performance in sports.
So these are some of the types of media that can be included into your class as well. Notice that the PowerPoint lectures are also here, and these can be also narrated for the students so that they can be more interactive. The reading assignments are here. You see there's also discussion boards, and these can be graded as well. So here in this discussion board, you see there's a topic about psychology professionals and locating them, and patterns in how they label themselves. So students are instructed to do a search and come up with some response and post it up to the discussion board and then respond to each other. There's also interactive learning objects. So these are some of the games and things that SPL can develop. And these are activities that students can do to practice with the material. So for example, here's a little Simon Says game they have to get the right answer to. So here's one, a golfer wants to maintain concentration. So that's probably performance development. Oh, I got that one right. And of course, if they get one wrong, it'll signal them as well. So these are the types of different interactions you can put into your class shell. And of course, at the end, you have also the assessments. So when students click on these are the quizzes that you can design as well. And students can get feedback, and these can also be graded assignments. So these are just some of the elements that are available in SPL.